Hello and welcome back to Between the Keys. We're here, we're doing the US Top 40, and the next one is The Door by Teddy Swims. The chords you need are four. There's four of them. It's G sharp minor, E, F sharp, and D sharp, or E flat. And so you should be able to master it pretty quickly, as long as you can play chords, 3-note chords, or triads as we call them. G sharp minor. I might even play it with 7 or with another G sharp on top, but the simple way, don't worry about that just for now, just like that. Then E, and then F sharp, and then D sharp. With some bass. I took a page out of your favorite book. That's your first line. I took a page out of your favorite book. And then E, you sold me lies just by the way you look. F sharp, taught me a language that I'd never speak. Baby, that ain't for me, that ain't for me. And I dug my grave watching the way you move. You took me higher than I ever flew. Ooh, F sharp. Too many times gave you a second chance. Baby, I'm just a man, I'm just a man. Hey, we're going into the pre-chorus. No more thinking about you late night to E. No more running around with your friends. Now, F sharp. Done picking up pieces of my soul off the floor, oh, 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 oh. And then we go to the chorus. Said I would die for you, baby, to E. But I can't take this pain no more. Thought I was willing. Oh, sorry, wrong bass note. F sharp. Thought I was willing to E flat or D sharp. But tonight I saved my life when I showed you the door to F sharp. Sorry, to G sharp. Always the same chords. Don't wanna lose you, baby, to E. But I can't play this game no more. F sharp. Thought it would kill me. Same chords, D sharp. But I thought I saved my life when I showed you the door. But tonight I saved my life when I show you the door. G sharp minor, okay, verse 2. You never thought this day would ever come. But I looked you in the eyes and pulled the rug. You tried to take away my sanity. Baby, that ain't for me, no, that ain't for me. That could be a 7 there if you wanted it to be a dominant 7. Just adding in one extra note, which would be a C sharp. Pre-chorus again. Oh, no more thinking about you late night. No more running around with your friends now. Done picking up pieces of my soul up out of the floor. Oh, oh, oh. Said I would die for you, baby. Chorus. But I can't take this pain no more. I thought I was willing, but tonight I saved my life when I showed you the door. Don't wanna lose you, baby. I can't take this game no more. Thought I would kill me, but tonight I saved my life when I showed you the door. When I showed you the door. When I showed you the door. Tonight I saved my life when I showed you the door. Thought I would die for you, baby. Does the chorus again. But I can't take this pain no more. Thought I was willing, but tonight I saved my life when I showed you the door. Don't wanna lose you, baby. But I can't take this game no more. Thought it would kill me, I thought it would. Tonight I saved my That shows you the door. And then the outro. Anyway, just 4 chords. 4 chords, same 4 chords all the way through. Verse, chorus, verse, pre-chorus, and then chorus. That's your structure. Intro, same chords. And then you go verse 1, pre-chorus, which is no more thinking about you late night. And then chorus, said I would die for you, baby. And verse 2, pre-chorus again, chorus again. Post-chorus is just a little bit of the same. Another chorus, and then an outro. Same chords all the way through. Hopefully you found it easy as pie, easy as cake. And you managed to learn the song. So thanks for watching Between the Keys. Give it a like and a subscribe to the channel if you like what you see. Put your requests for other songs in the comments if you have any requests. As always, thanks for watching. And look out for the next one, which is, I believe, song number 18. No, this was song number 18. Next one is 19, Hot to Go by Chappelle Rowan. Gonna go listen to it now. See you in the next one on Between the Keys. Ciao.